posting random pins, this Pinterest strategy brings buyers every time. Pinterest is not social media, but it's a search engine, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use it for your best to sell your digital products. Let's get in the video. Step one, if you want to drive traffic from Pinterest, you should create a business Pinterest account. Yes, a lot of people skip this first step of creating a Pinterest business account. Yes, you can't, there are some things that you are not going to access if you don't have a Pinterest business account, and how to create one is simple and easy. You just come here on Google and search for create a Pinterest account or create a business account. Even if you already have a personal account, you can just turn it into a business account. But if you are starting, instead of wasting your time, you can just go ahead and create a business account from the start. But if you have been using like Pinterest for, if you have been using Pinterest like for some time, you can go ahead and just switch your account from, you switch your account from being a normal account and turn it into a business account. That also, that way it can work for you. Yes, so don't forget to turn your account into a business account, or just create a business account if you are not using Pinterest before. Yes, then our next step is using keywords in your Pinterest pins. This is step number two, using keywords. And most people create good pins, but if your pins don't have keywords, it's not going to work and nobody will find them, because Pinterest is a search engine. It's not like social media, it's a search engine. People come there with an intention. They don't just go there to get entertainment or to watch people dancing. So it's your keyword that will push you up from the other competition, and you can search for your, and people can search for your products from Pinterest if you use keywords like in your title. For example, if you are like, you are selling a digital planner, maybe you are targeting moms. So if a person searches digital planners for moms, they will find you. If a person searches something, digital planner for busy moms, they will find you. If a person searches for something like digital planner, they will find you. For example, you are creating pins to sell your activity printables for kids, then you're supposed to put in keywords in that, your title and your description. And you can also put in some keywords in the pin that you've created. Yes, so you can also put in keywords that are related to that exact product that you are promoting on Pinterest, maybe kids activity book templates or budget planner PDF. Yes, and now if we go into Pinterest, if we go into Pinterest, because I already have an account on Pinterest, so I'll go into my other account that I'm using. Yes, so this is how Pinterest looks like, or the people having the business account. So as you can see here, they are showing me business hub because I'm on a business account for Pinterest. But if you are on a normal account, you will not get access to see this because yours will not be a business account. So this is my Pinterest dashboard, and because I am using a business account, you get a chance to see what is trending, and from those things that are trending, you can go ahead even to choose your keywords that you can use even without using paid tools. If you have money to spend on paid tools for keyword research, you can go ahead. But if you don't have, Pinterest has made it easy for you to find keywords that can help you rank higher. For example, if I come click here on my business hub, these are all things that I can access since I am using a business Pinterest account. But as I've told you already, if you are using a Pinterest account which is not a business, you will not get access to this. Yes. So here you can come and check your analytics and see how your pins are doing, which pins are good, which pins are not working, and to see if people are clicking from Pinterest to go maybe to your digital product store or to your blog. So you get to see all of these. You get to see the catalogs of products, conversions, audience, and so much more. And if you want to create a pin, you can also come here and click on create pin. Or if you want to pay Pinterest, you can create a paid pin ad. Yes. But if you want a free one, organic, you can also go ahead, create a free pin, a free Pinterest board, and a free college. So if you want to find keywords from Pinterest, you can come here where it says Pinterest trends. When we click on Pinterest trends, Pinterest is going to show us what is trending, and you can go ahead and create your digital products according to what is trending, because you will know that the audience you are targeting is on Pinterest and that's what they are interested in at that certain moment. For example, this account that I'm showing you, I'm using it for my other business. Then I also have another account that I use for my digital products. But let me use this one for example. So, for example, as you see here, they are telling us what is trending in the spotlight. And when we come here, we see things like perfume collection. For example, now maybe you are creating affiliate marketing, because this account I use it for affiliate marketing. Yes, so if you are creating maybe your digital product, you will come here, you will find things like kids activity pages. So Pinterest will show you according to what is trending and according to what your account is about, because this my account is about beauty products. That's what I use it for. Then I also have a separate account that I use for digital products. Yes. So if your account is for digital product, that's why it's good to specify, because Pinterest will know which trends it's supposed to push to you and which people are supposed to push your content to. So here you will see a lot of things. Here they are showing you what is trending. You can see perfume collections here. And here we can come here and see shopping trends. For example, now if you are on platforms like Etsy, where they can allow you on Pinterest to copy your link and post it directly to and promote your product directly from Pinterest. If a person wants to buy, they will just click on your product from Pinterest and they will go and buy directly from Etsy or from Payhip or any other platform that you are using. So you can come here and see shopping trends. They'll be showing you different categories, yes, of what people are buying. So if you turn it reverse to digital products, also they'll be showing you what is trending in the digital product area that people are buying from Pinterest and people are interested. But if we want to be clear on what we want, we can also come use this tool here which says search trends. Yes, so we can come here and click on search trends so that we can search what is really working. Now here, this is where you can type in maybe your digital product name and see are people interested in that. For example, if we come here and type in planner. So if we type in planner, so we are going to see if people are really interested in. So you can see people are searching for the word planner, and the graph, if you see it's up, that means people are searching for it, and now it's going down. So you can see here planner ideas, a planner organization, planner template, planner stickers. So you can go ahead here to search and see if people are really searching for that product that you are looking for. And it works with everything. You can search maybe for, as I've told you, can if you are into affiliate marketing, you can come here and search if the product you want to promote people are looking for. So that's how you can find keywords. So if you, for example, to say you want to promote your plan on Pinterest or to drive traffic from it, then you can go ahead and copy these keywords so that in your title you can add in the word like planner, you can add in planner ideas, you can add in planner organization, planner templates, so that your title and description can be targeted to the people that you are looking for. Then another, you can also maybe type in another keyword that you want, maybe kids activity pages, or if that's what you want. So as you can see here, you see kids activities. So here they are going to show you if the graph is going high. So as you can see, the graph is going high and they are predicting up to April. So you have a chance to be creating these pins up to April that people will be interested in. So here you can see kids activities for kids. These are all keywords that you can use in your keyword and description when you are creating that digital product. So those are all the keywords that you can go ahead to use So after you've seen the keywords that you want to go ahead to use, you keep on doing your research and see which one that you want to go with according to your digital product. Then another secret that I want to show you, you can come here and click on create campaign. Don't worry, you can click on it even if you are not going to pay anything. I'm going to show you a way how you can use this to research for your keyword from Pinterest. So this is how the campaign dashboard looks like. So if you want to research and you don't want to pay for it, you can just off this optimize keyword. You off it like that. Then you click on continue. So when you click on continue, you can just come here and type in the keyword of what you are looking for, and Pinterest will give you what people are exactly searching for. For example, if we put in planner here, so if you put in planner, so they are showing you keywords that you can put in your description or in your title. So these are all words down here that you can go ahead and use. You can go ahead, copy them and put them in your title description, or you can write a blog about this so that you can rank higher. So that's how you can find Pinterest keywords simple and easy. Simple and easy. So that's how we can go ahead and find them. Then this is taking us to our step number 3. Yes. So when you have done your keyword research and finished, because that's what is so important, then the next thing is to create pins. And when you are creating pins for Pinterest, you can create pins from 3 to 6 pins per day for your product, and you can create different design but using the same link. Maybe you are linking to a blog post or you are linking directly to your store, so it will depend on you. So you can create pins because Pinterest is a numbers game. So the list pins that you can create, they are just 3, so you can go ahead and create from 3 to 6 pins per day. Yes. And you can use AI like ChatGPT to help you come up with pin ideas. As long as you go and copy all those keywords I've given you, then you paste it into ChatGPT, then you ask it to create for you pins and pin titles and descriptions according to those keywords. Yes. Then the next step is to link to a blog post or a store, or you can mix it up. You create maybe 3 pins that are linking to a blog post and 3 pins that are linking to the store directly where your digital product is. Then step number 5 is being consistent. Post daily, 3 times a day or 5 times a day, and don't post all your pins at once. Maybe in 1 hour you can schedule them. Maybe one pin goes after 2 hours, another pin goes maybe after also 2 hours or after 3 hours. So you can give them some hours space. One pin comes in maybe at 10, another pin comes in at 12, like that. So that's how you can go ahead and use this. And Pinterest has a place where you can schedule your pins. You can either publish immediately or you can schedule your pins inside the Pinterest dashboard. And this is going to bring us to our next step, which is common mistakes that people make when they are creating pins for Pinterest, and why people are not clicking on their pins, or why people are not clicking off Pinterest to go to their store or to their blog. And these common mistakes include ugly pins. If you create pins that are not eye-catching, or pins that have tiny words that are not readable, nobody has the time to stress their eyes to see what you have written. So you should create pins that can be readable. Yes, and you can use for Canva to create those pins, and you are creating pins which don't have a call to action. So if you don't call people to act on your pin, some people, they will not act. Maybe they will just think you just created it for fun. For example, if you're a YouTuber like me, you hear already most YouTubers tell people, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. Some people, they can watch the video and they will not subscribe or they will not share. But if a person calls them to action, they can go ahead and do that action. So you also take that to Pinterest and put in a call to action on your pins. If you don't put it, people will not click. Then also random posting. You are posting without doing your keyword research, without your pins are going nowhere. You don't know which audience you are targeting. You're just posting anyhow. That's why doing your keyword research is important. Yes, so you do your keyword research and that will be good for you. And this is bringing us to our last tip, which is Pinterest traffic is slow but powerful. Yes, Pinterest traffic is slow but powerful. Most people want to blow up in one day. Nothing works like that. Everything needs patience and building up. That's the real way how people make money and scale up. You have to put in the work and the effort. Yes, and if you like more Pinterest tips like this, don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe. And I've also created a digital product, a freebie, a beginner roadmap that can help you to start your digital product business. See you in the next video.